Rusty Water TH here. Today we're on, actually this is the Bruce Trail. We're going to To A Waterfall. Guys, future reference, never hike in water shoes. We use water shoes because I hate getting my shoes wet when I get home and stuff, right? But yeah, just don't hike in water shoes. This is actually the Bruce Trail right now. Check this view, everybody.
I'm the king of the world!
Oh look, little high school party area. Kids come here, party, drink all night, you know. Look. But the one good thing is they're buying wood, not cutting wood. That's good. No, for real. It's actually really good. Check this rock, ladies and gentlemen. This rock has a tree growing on it. And it's actually still standing on that tree. I mean, on that rock. That's one way down. But we're gonna check for an alternative route because that looks a little dangerous. It's a little rainy right now, so we're going around. You ready for this?
Hey!
Look, already good sign. People been here. There's 2016 nickel. Keeping that. Buy lunch later. Like, boom, brakes, right? Boom. All right, guys, we're literally just about there. I'm gonna start magnet fishing any minute. Honestly, I'm here to magnet fish. I thought it was a good spot, but honestly, it was a great hike anyways. Great scenery. I can't complain. First cast of the day. Almost fell in. I feel a lot of rocks. You can see a lot of rocks here. I got something. Check it out. I got something pulling it in. What is that? Looks like a grate to a vent or something. That's pretty cool. Oh, it's stuck on there pretty good. Oh. Alright guys, I'm just gonna pack up. I didn't really get much today besides that little grate vent thing, whatever it is. I put my channel to the fullest, ladies and gentlemen. Check this out. Do I want to drop it? No. Woo-hoo! I'm gonna crush it. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Till next time on Rusty Water TH.